Alright, this is what happens when you run over the lawnmower. What happened was I ran over the lawnmower and I broke the head. So I was simply going to replace the head. But when I dug in with my shovel, I popped the line. So you can see there's water coming through there. So we're going to dig this out. We're going to do about 24-inch diameter to get to the line. But the problem is I have a lot of tree trunks, a lot of roots here. I'm going to cut that off with a jigsaw, sawzall. One of those. All right, let's get to work. May not be able to finish it today. It's going to rain today. I got thunder already. We'll see. Here's the line. Figure out where this line goes. Probably a lot of tree trunks here. So where I broke it is here. Down there. You can see a shovel hit it right there. Point to it right there. Right there. All right, have to go to Lowe's now. When we get that piece, we'll try to fix that sprinkler. Yeah, unfortunately. Head over to Lowe's, buy that piece, see what they got there. What I can gather from the other YouTube guys, that you probably just need a coupler and a clamp. But the problem is, as you can see, mine is pretty much buried into the roots of the tree, because the sprinkler head is right next to the tree trunks. So yay, I get to dig all that out, cut that up. So let's head over to Lowe's, grab some parts, and then we'll finish digging and get all that stuff out of there. May not be able to finish it today. It is kind of rainy out. Yeah, it's kind of raining out. Let's see. There's rain there, rain clouds. Yeah. Let's see. Here we are, back to Lowe's. Yeah. We should really look into getting a card or something with them. Spend so much time and money here. Yep. Scary clown cut. I guess it's almost Halloween. Let's see what we're working with. Here we go. So I'm going to replace the heads. It's a 3/4 head. It's about 180 degrees. So this is about $11. Like orbits. I mean, it's orbits. I have used Hunter before too. $13 for that one. So, you know, cheapo. $11. Now we got to find the connector for the broken pipe. I'm gonna do something that no one don't do, but I'm gonna do it just for the channel. I'm gonna use PEX pipe break. Use sharp pipe here. $22. So use that. And we'll use 3/4. $9.78, and this one is $22.90. In addition, we'll use regular piping. So we use hose clamp. Yeah. About $2 for each one. And tape it into, I'll lock it in. Alright, just for the channel. I'm gonna try to do it. So, unfortunately, can't do it. I'll leave it up to professionals. My problem is, you can see a lot of tree roots. So I called the guy. He's gonna come look at it. But and here's the part that broke. Sticking out right there. If I had time to do it, I would take a reciprocating saw and cut off all the roots, pull this thing out, patch this up. I'm gonna try to film when he's here, see how he does it. Alright, sorry I couldn't do it myself, but I could see a lot of tree roots and everything. I mean, it was straightforward in the middle of the field somewhere. They're probably easy to replace, but kind of out of my elements. But like I said, I'll try to film it when the guy's here. All right. So the bill came up to about $85 an hour work. He did it less than an hour. Took like 15 minutes to do it. The roadie you saw I purchased at Lowe's was only $11. Over here he charges $35 for the head. And then repair to cut the cut pipe that I mangled. So $140. Not too bad. Alright, so this is what he did. So he pretty much spliced the two lines that's broken, spliced it here, here is the piece that I hit it with my shovel. So put a big gash there. So we cut that off. You kind of, like I say, you can use a reciprocating saw. Did one of these, kind of cut all the roots all around as you could. And he left some here, some roots here. So you lift this whole thing up, connected it, put crimps on it, both sides here and here. And oddly enough, the head that's broken is right here. It's different. It's separate from this line. So he fixed that line. All right, all I gotta do is put it back together. Pro tip is you wanna, for the next time you need to replace this, you wanna protect this with rocks. So if you hit it with a shovel, you know you're not hitting the pipe. So you're gonna put that there pretty snug. So you want to protect the pipe as much as possible. Get a couple more rocks. Same thing here. Probably build it up a little bit. Put some dirt. And then I'm going to protect with some rocks. So I know where the pipe is. Some rocks protect it. So when I go in there next time, or I need to go in there next time, I'm not gonna mess up the line. These rocks are there for a reason. Protect me from hitting the line again. So that's the reason these rocks are here. Okay. That's a little pro tip for you. Alright, all back together. The head is right here. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.